We remove the back cover. We remove 3 screws. Now let's remove the metal bracket. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you.